Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at Stonk Journal. In order to do so, here we are at stonkjournal.net. And what is Stonk Journal all about? Well, it's a free, ad-free trading journal that's fast, easy to use, and comprehensive enough to seamlessly integrate into your daily routine. It's the trading journal for the people. And you can see here the interface, and you can take a look at some of the testimonials. Fast and easy trade entry. Our trade entry screen is designed for swift input, offering a straightforward and user-friendly interface. It comes equipped with a memory of previous trades and takes advantage of user preferences to minimize data entry. This makes it an ideal starting point for establishing a comprehensive trade journal. Simple journal entry per trade. Journal entry tab includes tags, confidence meter, image attachments, and of course notes fields. It's simple, elegant, and clean. Has charts with entry and exits, multiple accounts and portfolios that you can add, user preference and defaults. Our user settings and preferences are designed to enhance the speed of trade entry for users. Trade setups. You can utilize trade setups, which is advantageous during research and selection process of stocks for potential trading. Got actionable statistics and reports and more. You might want to follow them on Twitter. Let's go ahead and click on Get Started Today. And we can sign up with Google, which we'll go ahead and do. And there you go. That's all there is to it. We are now set up, ready to go with Stonk Journal. So if you are interested in getting in with Stonk Journal and trying this out, by all means, head over to stonkjournal.com and we can set up new trades. We can create a new setup, new notes. We have our account settings, tag management, password, and security. Let's go ahead and check out the dashboard here so you could see here the trades that we've got set up for demo purposes, and this allows you to play around and get in there and test it out. So if you're interested in using Stonk Journal, head over to stonkjournal.com and you can get started for free. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our Linktree. There you will find our top AI recommendations and promotions and our socials. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the Linktree, you'll get $50 to open up an account, and if you refer your friends and family, you'll get $125 per referral. I can personally vouch for it. It's a great bank. It's a great deal. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.